Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have OnePlus Watch Lite, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. So let's get started. One thing to mention before we continue is that your watch needs to be paired with your iPhone via the oHealth application for this to work. And once the devices are paired together, we need to make sure that the required permissions are allowed for the iPhone to send the notifications to your watch. And to do that, you need to open the settings on your iPhone, go to Bluetooth, and here on the list of my devices, you should see your OnePlus Watch Lite. Tap on the info icon next to it, and here look for this option, share system notifications. This option needs to be enabled for the notifications to work. So if it's disabled, enable it. Also, if you're not seeing this option, because it's possible this option right here is missing, you will need to open the oHealth application first. So go to oHealth, go to device. At some point, you probably will see permission pop up about the notification permissions. If you see the pop-up, allow it. If you don't see it yet, go to the sync phone notifications and turn off and on the notifications. And at some point you should see the notification pop up. And once you see it, allow the required permissions. And then if you go back to settings, the option should be here. And if it's not enabled, enable it. Okay. And now we can go to app, to oHealth app, device, sync phone notifications. Make sure that the notifications are turned on. And this option is not required. You can disable it. But if you want to receive the notifications even though you're not wearing your watch, enable this option. And then you have the list of applications you can enable and disable the notifications for. And you have not many, as you can see. And at this point, the notifications should be enabled, and we're gonna test it. We're gonna send the message on Discord, and we'll see if it's gonna work. The Discord was not on the list, so it's possible it won't work with other apps, but let's check. It worked on our iPhone. Let's check our watch. And it did work also on our watch. So it is working with different apps. Let's check in the oHealth application if Discord appeared right here on the list, and it didn't, so it just works with different applications on your watch or on your phone, which is good. Oh no, Discord appeared. Some of the applications have this feature that basically the apps are not here until you receive the notifications from them, and then they appear and you can disable them or enable them. So as you can see, Discord appeared, and now we have the ability to receive the notifications from Discord. So if you don't see notification from some app on your watch first, or at all, check the app, oHealth application, and check if the app is right here on the list and if it's enabled. And after it's enabled, you should see them pop up right here on your watch. Okay, and that's how you enable the phone notifications for this watch on the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.